you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. Today we have something, these are like my favorite, I can't even tell you. So Casey over at Coffee with My Sunshine does these amazing trash to treasure, and she legit means trash. She's not talking about something, well, maybe I don't like it anymore and I might get rid of it. She's not talking about something you might pick up at the thrift store. She is legit talking about trash. So Casey over at Coffee with My Sunshine and her co-host April over at April Adair Shares are doing another Trash to Treasure challenge. So today I have made the cutest sign legit out of trash. I found this piece of flooring on my garage floor in my junk pile, hoarder pile, scrap pile, whatever you want to call it. It's where I keep all the stuff that literally falls off my saw. I don't pick it up, I don't put it in a cute basket, it doesn't sit on a shelf, it sits on the floor at the bottom of the saw. And I find the most amazing pieces of trash to make great projects with. So today we made a super winter sign using a piece of flooring that we put down in our family room. I had a really cute little wall decal that I picked up at our dollar store that I used on top of it. Let's take a look and get right into it. So I've already run this through the table saw to trim off the tongue and groove sides on this piece, and we are ready to go. Now I had a couple of different ideas for this. First one was those great galvanized metal signs that we're all getting from Dollar Tree. I was gonna go with In This House We Believe. And then Izzy and I were out last night and we found this great wall decal for only $2 at Dollarama. Now we're only gonna use a couple of small parts of it and we're gonna save all the other parts for another job later on. All right, this is where we have some fun. This is both the reality and the magic of YouTube. So I had this idea. I was just going to dry brush a little on and it was going to look so pretty, except the letters wouldn't have shown up on it. So back to the drawing board, and this baby is getting an entire coat of white paint with just a little bit of the wood showing through. Since I was a little behind the 8 ball now, this is where I pull out my handy dandy hair dryer to get this paint dry so that we can get this sign done. Alrighty, time to get a good look at this wall decal. It's actually pretty amazing how many different pieces there were for only $2. So I kind of have a cool idea as to what I'm going to use for the rest of them. So we're going to get the Let It Snow part. Oh, I feel like some of the haters are going to come out of the woodwork. Yes, I love winter and I love snow. So since I don't do DIY Christmas stuff this time of year, I will absolutely do winter stuff. Gets me in the spirit, you know, nothing like a little snow for Christmas, right? Trying to put these on sideways was interesting. We're just going to go with interesting. I did discover that my Cricut tools were super handy here. So I used a couple of them, one to lift up the decal, the other one to make sure it was really well put down. I'm going to add a few of the different snowflakes kind of at either end, and a little one in the middle right over snow, just to spread them around. And I did use a couple of different kinds. There were some that were just gray and a couple that had a really cool wood finish on them. So I am absolutely thrilled with the way they came out. Because this is a removable wall decal, and because I want it to have a really great finish on it, I'm going to go over the entire thing with my matte Mod Podge. This is going to give it a great finish. It's going to make it durable, and I think it's really going to help that wall decal sort of become one with the sign. Seriously, I love this sign. Now, okay, I know I love snow and that might have something to do with it, but seriously, from beginning to end, without my little mishaps in the middle, this sign would have only taken about 2 hours to make. Okay, you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed the Trash to Treasure today. It's just about thinking about things differently. Make sure you hop onto the playlist and check out all the amazing Trash to Treasure happening today. It's gonna give you some amazing ideas for things that you literally might throw it in your trash or your recycling. So I linked the playlist below, so make sure you click on that. If you're new here from one of the other channels, welcome. I'm Lisa at Lisa & Company, and I hope you'll stick around and see all the really great budget DIY, design, and all the great stuff we do over here. If you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you know every time we upload a great video like this one and all the other fun videos we do. We have so many plans for the holidays, so make sure you join us soon, and we'll see you next time.